Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and soon-to-be enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of motivation and how to find that fire within to conquer your workouts. If you've ever struggled to stay motivated, this video is your ultimate guide. We've all been there, that moment when hitting the snooze button seems more appealing than hitting the gym. But fear not, because we're about to arm you with the tools you need to reignite that motivation. Define your fitness goals. It's like mapping out your fitness journey. Whether it's shedding those extra pounds, building muscle, or improving your endurance, clear goals will be your North Star. Passion in motion. Working out doesn't have to be a chore. Discover an activity that makes you excited to move. From running to dancing to lifting weights, the choices are endless. Crafting your routine. Consistency is key. Plan your workouts like appointments you can't miss. This sets the foundation for success. The power of accountability. Don't go it alone. Whether it's a workout buddy or a fitness class, having someone to share the journey with keeps you motivated and on track. Conquering obstacles. Life happens, and motivation can waver. But remember, there's always a solution. Manage your time, embrace rest days, and push through the fatigue. Celebrating victories. No matter how small, every achievement is a step towards your goal. Use fitness trackers, journals, or apps to track your progress and give yourself a pat on the back. Reconnect with your why. Your reason for starting this journey is your ultimate motivator. On tough days, remind yourself of that reason. Success stories are proof that motivation can be found and maintained. People like you have overcome challenges and transformed their lives. You can do it too. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to finding and maintaining your workout motivation. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate your victories, and keep that flame burning bright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Join our motivated community and let's crush those fitness goals together. Keep moving forward. Thank you for tuning in. Keep moving forward, stay motivated, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay active.